So hello everyone, I'm Samir and today I'll be solving this requirement. Like we have to retrieve the top 5 most recently created accounts along with their names and created date. So we have to just use some of the sorting logic in our query. So let's do it. First of all, let's close these tabs. So here we have. So we have to write the query like select what we have to show name and created date. Select okay. Let's follow the convention. Select C, select name and created date. So created date is a kind of a field. Let me show you. If you will create any account or anything, you have a field name created date, and this will contain the date and the time when the field is being created. So here we have also created date, and here we also have last modified date. It is by default coming whenever you are creating any object in the Salesforce. So we have the created date. So select name and created date from account. And what are the conditions? Created it along with their name and uh, created it. So we have to get the top 5. So we have to also use the limit. Remember that. So from account and order by created DATE. And we should write this ORDER 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 by created date, and we have to write a we'll see the result and then we'll make some modifications, and limit is 5. Limit 5. Why I'm writing limit 5? I just want top 5 results, but here we can see here we have the first record of 8 and 537. Okay, these are the bulk created record. Okay, so by default what we are getting the record. Let's remove this limit and then we'll be able to understand is it ascending order or descending order. So we are able to see the record of the 8, then it is the recent one. Okay, this is of 30. No, it is in the opposite order, like we are getting the old record first and then we are getting the newer record later on. So what we can do the changes, order by created date, and we have to write a descending, and again refresh this. Now we have the newly created record on the top, and the later on we have the old record at the bottom, and now we have to write the limit 5. So all done. So we can see we have met our requirement. Like we had to retrieve the top 5 most recently created accounts. So here we have most recently created account, and we have the first one record is the most recent one. Then after that, and we have total of 5 records. So this is the final query that we are here with. So we should also write this in a capital, and this is also a SOQL query. So here we have select name created it from account, and here in this video we are learning about order by. Order by is basically like we want to order by which of the fields. So here we are ordering by created date. If it is numerical, so it will be following the numerical, and if it is alphabetical, so it will be going by alphabetical order like A, B, C, D. If you order by name and other, then it will be alphabetical like A to Z. And ascending or descending, we have the two parameter. So here we are passing descending. By default it is ascending order, and limit 5 means we are trying to get the 5 result. This is the order to write. If you write the limit 5 from here to here, this will never work. So let's execute this. It must be telling that there is a SOQL parsing error, like syntax error. So this is the format, like limit should be at the end, and here the order by should be the before limit, and then other things as per the syntax. So hope you got the point and you got the solution. Thank you so much.